Alright guys, this is actually a real reaction, and I can prove it this time. There's 2 minutes left, and I can't fast forward the TV or rewind it. So this is on right now. I'm with my cousin Brett, who is a Cardinals fan, and I'm a Packers fan. Packers are my second favorite team. You can call me a bandwagon or not. I'm rooting for the Panthers tomorrow, and the Cardinals are going to be leading 21-13. Yeah, they got it. Brett's TV's faster than mine for some reason. I'm not sure. Oh yeah, the Packers can still they still can send this game into overtime though. It's not over. I mean.
And now instead of about a minute and 15, 20 seconds. Correct.
Come on, Rodgers, you're Super Bowl winner. Even though they didn't even kick it yet.
See if they can tie this thing up or win it. Who knows? The way this thing's going, they'll probably go for two if they score a touchdown.
I'm going to turn it down a little bit, because I don't want to hear what really happens. So you guys can hear it. I don't really want to hear what goes on, because this TV's faster than mine for some reason. Alright.
Well, that's one of those plays. If you don't like it as your Carson Palmer, then you just run up in the line of scrimmage and let that clock continue to run. If you don't love it, I should say.
Alright, here's the kick. Come on. Oh. My God. There we go. Think about last year. We had it. And Seattle blew it for us. Come on. Oh.
And for Mike McCarthy, who's taken over the play calling about a month or so ago, away from Tom Clements. Aaron Rodgers sitting in all the meetings this week. They knew exactly what they wanted to do. Now they just have to do it. They go 4 wide here, 3 by 1 to the left side.
Are you kidding me?
Dwight Freeney already won a game earlier this season against the Minnesota Vikings with this same exact spin move. That time he runs Bakhtiari into Aaron Rodgers, trips him up. And how about that?
Alright, this is their last chance. Come on, Rodgers. Come on. I don't want to hear what he says. Come on. Oh!
And was there contact here?
Who cares?
That is pass interference. It is pass interference. He grabbed him. He turned the shoulders. Aaron Rodgers the whole way. He was moving right, but he was looking left. And Jeff Janis, because he hasn't been around Aaron Rodgers very much, sort of slowed down, but boy,
Who cares?
Go on. Oh, 4 minutes.
Woohoo!
There's a timeout.
Keep playing a game right now.
For Green Bay to stay alive. Wow. Well, we've seen one Hail Mary.
Come on.
There we go. Right Right there, you're gonna see that.
He was touching his chest area.
Nah, I don't think that.
Or does he turn himself? That is
I
pretty
think he turned
close.
himself.
The hand was definitely there. Did he turn or did Janis turn himself going back for the ball? I think you can make that argument. Let's take a look. Did Bethel turn? Wow.
Well, it's too bad I'm a Cardinals fan, so.
Well, especially when you pair it with the earlier touchdown and the Ron Brown offensive
Here we go,
interference.
baby.
Here we go. This is our last chance. Come on.
Oh my.
Come on. Yeah! Yeah! They caught it! Yeah!
How in the world against that defense do you get a guy free? So Janis is there, the clock keeps running. Rodgers says, let's spike it.
Oh my God.
You gotta get him set. We're down under a half a minute. That's 61 yards on the 4th and 20. 27 seconds.
They're going to run it.
Yeah, they're gonna run it. Rodgers.
They didn't get set.
No, they didn't get set. The flag is down. So they didn't get set.
Doesn't matter.
Yeah, it doesn't. But whatever happens there. And there's
12 seconds left.
runoff as well here. So Rodgers went up to try to spike it. Then he wanted to run a play. Richard Rodgers wasn't set. The guy who was the big hero in the Hail Mary against Detroit. He doesn't get set. Here's Blakeman.
Illegal motion. Offense number 82. 5-yard penalty. There's no 10-second runoff. Still first down.
So 10-second runoff in this particular instance.
They should have spiked the ball.
I think they should have shut the play down. There's motion.
7 minutes.
Right.
Okay, gotta play deep, bro.
Which was the reason that there wasn't a runoff on that. So you got 12
Let's
seconds.
don't let Richard Rodgers try to get it. Now what? Can I help?
So it's first down. and
Come on, this is like their last chance.
Because of a timeout.
There's a timeout, guys. I'm gonna pause here to save some video, and I'll be back when the timeout's done. All right, here we go. This is it. This is.
Go get him.
They send him all the way
Yes,
back to the 40. They're trying to get his feet set. Now he throws and gets
Here we go.
to save whatever.
This is the last chance to either do or die.
Well, and here's what has
Last
to
play
happen.
of the
You go
game.
all the way back to Doug Flutie days.
Okay, turn it down.
Anytime you've got a Hail Mary, you have to give your receivers time to get into the end zone. So the quarterback has to buy some time. He has to move around for a little while and then set up the deep throw. And the great thing that Aaron Rodgers did on that Hail Mary against Detroit was to throw it so high, it gave Richard Rodgers a chance to go straight vertical and go get it.
All right, you ready, Brett?
Aaron Rodgers to get outside.
Another
You saw the Cardinals moving
I don't want to hear this.
timeout.
And they call a timeout. I mean, they had a whole bunch of
Timeout. Gonna pause. Here we go. 5 seconds left. It's either do or die now.
I know, man. This is gonna be awesome.
Well, they did the last.
All right, I don't want to hear Brett, so you guys can do what you want. Come on.
Here it is.
Come on.
Starks. They are going to bring
Come
pressure.
on.
Rodgers is going to roll away. Throws it up in the air. Says a
He caught it!
He caught it! He caught it! He caught it! Oh my God! He caught it! He caught the ball!
That's insane. Now go back.
Where was it?
He caught the ball with 5. No, but there's enough time. They already automatically can get it. Oh my God.
No, that's incomplete!
Yeah,
That's
he's screwed
incomplete!
it too. He's the Cardinals and the Packers. I'll be. Oh my God.
He knocked that out of the end!
That was awesome.
Johnson comes in. Johnson got his hand on the ball.
No!
And then once he was in the end zone, then there was a late push out there. I think he had
No!
control.
Yes.
What?
And then it was Rashad Johnson as their control.
Sorry, Brett. Looks like we're gonna go in overtime.
Johnson comes in and punches it out.
This is going to be a long game. Alright, guys.
Unbelievable.
Completely falling
Oh my god, I still can't believe it.
Oh!
This is
Yeah,
insane.
Janis got permission. There's a lot of discussion going on in New York right now.
Well, I'm going to pause it to save video. That was amazing. Amazing catch, guys. And I'm serious. I'm going to show you guys right now. I am not lying. This video is on right now TV. Brett, this is not fake. I'm going to admit now, this is not fake. That reaction was just 100% real. Alright, guys? So I'm going to come back when it's time, alright? Overtime. Here we go.
You gotta be kidding.
Ruling on the field stands and tall.
Woo!
So Jeff Janis makes it
Awesome.
19, and
You gotta be
now
kidding.
Mason Crosby has all
No one will ever forget Jim.
Does he send it to overtime?
No one will ever
You gotta
forget
be
Jim.
kidding me. How did that happen?
Years in the league. Rick Lovato.
Alright, I'm gonna pause it when it goes to overtime, alright, guys? It didn't flip, the coin. Cardinals got the ball.
Dixie!
He got it! No! Get him! Get him! No, he's lost it! No!
Oh, baby!
Oh my god! Larry Fitzgerald! Oh my god!
Yes! Yes! Get down. No!
I was trying to hit record because I knew something was gonna happen.
Everything! Oh, yes! Oh, I so wish he had scored, though. He didn't score, but that's 4 yards. He almost made the best play ever. Yes.
Nice season, Packers. Oh, keep him. My God, what a game. Brett, best playoff game. You agree? Oh yeah, still waiting for this. There we go. This could be the final play.
Yeah.
Oh my
That's
God.
so amazing. If he scored a touchdown on that play, that would have been the best play ever. We've never seen.
Whatever. I'm just happy about that catch.
Nothing's better than that.
I still want them to win the game, but that catch was just amazing. Here we go. It's gonna be over now. Oh, they missed it the first time. Second and goal.
But they are also flying the safety over the top. Ha-ha, Clinton Dix is